Hello guys, I'm Ivana, teacher of Croatian language, and in this video I will show you the distinction between imperfective and perfective verbs in the Croatian language, which is actually the same in Serbian and Bosnian too. First, we're going to read a short story full of imperfective and perfective versions of the same verbs. There will be also some verbs that have the same root but mean something else, which I believe confuses you a lot. So now you'll get finally clear. Then we're going to analyze the text and see when to use what form, what each form means, and so on. So let's start. First, the story. Laura, slušaj. Moram ti nešto kazati o tvojem mužu. Što? Varate. Ma daj, molim te, poslušaj me. Odakle ti to? Ne vjerujem. Možeš li dokazati? Ne moraš mi vjerovati. Da, mogu dokazati. Pokazat ću ti. Evo, gledaj ove fotografije. Nije onako kako izgleda. Muž mi je rekao da se sastao s njom zbog posla. I ti si mu povjerovala? Zašto ne? Daj, molim te. A gdje je on danas? Otišao je na poslovni sastanak u Split. Na poslovni sastanak? Pa sigurno je s njom. Ajde, nazovi ga. Pa zovem ga cijeli dan, ali se ne javlja. Vjerojatno je zauzet. Zauzet? Možda u krevetu? Ma daj, nije istina. Aha, vidi. Ona je upravo objavila na društvenim mrežama da je u Splitu. Pogledaj fotografije. 2 čaše vina i neka muška ruka na stolu. Ajme, pa to je ruka mojeg muža. Nosi svoj vjenčani prsten. Kakva sramota. Jao, Darija, oprosti, molim te. Oprosti što ti nisam vjerovala. Ti si mi htjela ukazati na prevaru, a ja sam bila bezobrazna. Nisam htjela priznati da je to istina. Nema veze, ne brini. To se događa svima. Ni ja nisam vjerovala kad sam saznala da me dečko prevario. Da, nisam ništa znala o tome dosad. Možda me varao i s nekom drugom. Ajde, ne brini. Sve će biti u redu. Dođi, idemo na piće. Hajde. Okay, so the first group of verbs we'll analyze now is slušati, which is an imperfective verb, and poslušati, which is perfective. They differ for the prefix. It's the significator of the perfective verb. In the first example, Laura, slušaj, moram ti nešto kazati. It's like, listen, I have to tell you something. So, slušati is to listen, unfinished action, while poslušati is to listen for a minute, for a second, just for a little. It also may mean accepting someone's suggestion or advice, like in the sentence poslušala sam te I napravila što si rekao. So I listened to you, actually your advice, and did what you said. In the next group, there are verbs kazati, dokazati, pokazati, and ukazati. You see, they have something in common. Kazati. It is a synonym with reći. Actually, kazati is rarely used in everyday conversation. You can find it in literature, but in reality, very rarely. Kazati is a perfective. It means to tell something. Its imperfective form is kazivati, but it is even less used. So kazati is interesting because many verbs seem like they are perfective versions of the verb kazati, but they are not. They have completely different meaning and they are not connected with kazati, to tell. These are the verbs dokazati, which means to prove, pokazati, to show, and ukazati, to indicate. Next we have the verbs varati and prevariti. Varati is imperfective and means to cheat on someone, and prevariti is to cheat but once, just like in the sentence saznala sam da me dečko prevario. I found out that my boyfriend cheated on me. On the other hand, možda me varao, that means maybe he was cheating on me. You see, a long period is it about. These sentences are in the past tense, while in the sentence varate, the verb is in the present tense. Only the imperfective form, varati, can be used in present. Since prevariti implicates Finnish action, so once in the past, so it can be in present. In general, when talking in the present tense, especially about something that is happening right now, we need to use imperfective verbs only. Next, there are vjerovati and povjerovati. To believe and to believe once, or to believe in only one or few statements. For example, we saw that the first woman in the story didn't believe her friend, so she says at the end, oprosti što ti nisam vjerovala. So the friend tried to convince her, but she didn't believe it. So here is used the imperfective verb vjerovati, but when her husband said to her just one statement, that he was at a business meeting with his lover, she believed him immediately. So we said ona mu je povjerovala, the perfective verb. It would be vjerovala if he said her many lies through some longer period. Okay, so povjerovati is also used in the sentence 1000 puta si mi rekla laž, a ja sam ti svaki put povjerovala. 1000 times you said me a lie, and I believed you each time. So here we're talking about a long period, but it is cut to 1000 times, figuratively. So therefore we use povjerovala. I believed the first time, I believed the second time, and so on till the 1000th time. So each time, svaki put sam povjerovala. Then we have gledati and pogledati. It's easy. Gledati is to watch, imperfective, and pogledati is to look at something, perfective. In the context of the photos, they are the same. So you can use any of these verbs, but In a context like gledam film, it would be a mistake to say pogledam film. When you're watching a movie, this is a process, so you definitely need the imperfective verb gledati. Anyway, well, when talking what's happening right now, you can use only imperfective forms. On the other hand, the sentence pogledala sam već taj film, here it's about once upon a time when she has watched that movie already. Here it wouldn't be a big mistake to say gledala sam taj film, so you can use any of these forms as well. And now there are the verbs zvati, which present sounds zovem, I call or I'm calling, and nazvati, it's perfective pair. So you can guess nazvati, like nazoviga, is used to indicate one call, and zovem means to call and call all day, many times, or every day, every year, and so on. In the end, we have the verbs znati, which is the root verb and its variations that look like its perfective forms, but they are not. Saznati has just prefix sa, but means something else, to find out. Priznati has pri as a prefix, but doesn't have a connection with znati, which means to know, but it means to admit. There is one more similar verb, poznati, also seems like a perfective verb of znati, but it means to know someone. So it has a similar meaning to znati, but it is not its perfective verb. You use znati when you talk about knowledge or skills, but you use poznati strictly when talking about people. So I know someone. So to sum up, some verbs may seem like perfective forms of some else verbs, but they are not. Your task is to remember them as a part of new vocabulary. Next, when talking about what is happening right now, which is equivalent to present continuous in English, use only imperfective verbs. And as you know, imperfective verbs suggest an unfinished act, some action that lasts for a long or something that occurs repeatedly, like every day, every month, every year. On the other hand, perfective verbs are used to describe a short-term action or something that happened once. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it was useful for you. If you need a bigger list of perfect and imperfective verbs, please contact me and I'll share it with you. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're still not subscribed, and like and share it. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thank you. See you.